Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's been almost a month. I wanted to show my garden update. So this is my terrace garden, guys. You can see there are so many plants started flowering. So this is the avocado plant status. I did a seedling for this, and this is curry leaves one, and this one and this one 10-layer jasmine. So they started giving these branches. See this one, and this is star jasmine plant, grow like bigger one, and this is a normal jasmine. It smells a lot actually. You can see couple of flowers, and even here and inside. And this is virajaji. I just prune it everything, and you can see my paradise rose. So it has given so many flowers. Another bud here, so many. This flower smells a lot, actually it's very nice. And this is another rose. You can see here buds, this one and this one. There are many actually. And this is white and pink rose. This is also good, healthy. And this is another rose. Actually its production is complete. Now it started giving these branches again. And you can see this beautiful paneer button rose. So many flowers actually. So see this, very nice, no? And you can see here these are some sort of orange color roses, and this one red color rose. It started blooming again. And this I call scent rose because this plants, this flower smells like perfume. And almost its production is complete. I'll have to pluck this off and regrow it. And this is white and pink, guys. I don't know, something happened to this plant. You can see there are so many buds actually. Here you can see so many buds, but something happened, I don't know. I was watering very low, but still no, it is not able to bloom properly. But that plant had bloom like anything. It was very nice actually, you can see here. But that plant, I don't know, something happened to this. The blooming got disturbed, and it is not that good, but it's okay. Somehow the plant is okay. And this is black and red rose, guys. I don't know, something happened to this plant, and all of a sudden it was dying. I'm feeling so sad, but I tried a lot. And this is some sort of purple and blue. You can see here it is something like that. And so many buds again here, you can see. And this is a yellow plant, yellow rose plant. This one also, I don't know, it has struggled a lot, but somehow it is surviving, trying to survive. It's okay. And these three are lemon plants. And this is my Miyazaki plant. As you can see this tag here. Interestingly, this plant has survived very well. You can see here the stems are coming. Okay, good. I'm very happy to see that. After a month I am seeing this new leaves are coming and the stems are coming. It's good. And this is Lakshman Phal. It went very well, guys. You see the other video when I do the plantation of this plant, it was not having all these leaves and all these stems and all, but somehow it has survived, which I didn't expect. And this is my kg guava. Very nice. It has grown like anything. I can see these many branches came, and I can even see this kg guavas, the fruits actually. So uh, I think it first gives the flower, and then it forms as fruit. Yet to see. And this is my mulberry. Recently I pruned it. Immediately it has started giving these branches, and you can see these many mulberries here. And this is my white rose. This is also healthy. And this is red sita, red custard apple plant. I don't know, something happened to this, and I am doubting whether it is going to survive or not. And this is L49 guava plant. This is also very healthy. You can see this new stem already started forming, and it is good. And this is my banana sapota, the Thai banana sapota. You can see it's a very big one in my garden. You can see this plant, this fruit, still, not yet ready. And you can see here the new, flowers are coming in. Yeah. And here you can see one sapota, it started forming. This is the one I'm much like, and you can see here there are also a couple of flowers which further converts into, fruits. And this is my ivy gourd. You can see the other video when I do the plantation. I actually replanted this one, and my wife made this, structure. I don't know, she wanted to have a properly grow this one, so it looks healthy. And you can see here the ginger. Maybe in another 1 or 2 days I'm going to harvest this. And this one, many guava chats, many guava plants actually. You can see there, this was like, leftover guava I just put into this pot, and then it has turned into, these many plants. And these are my seedling mangoes. You can see here another mango plant almost died. I don't know why, but somehow it is better in shape. I will try to grow this one. And you can see here the other mango plant. I recently pruned this one, but it has started giving those stems. And this one too, very healthy. And this one I recently pruned, and it became very taller. See, around 1.5 feet. And this one too. And these two are like, jackfruits. And this one is also jackfruit. So all these, mango and jackfruit and these guava plants are seedlings, which I ate mangoes and put those seeds here, so that it has turned into plants. And you can see here again it's about mulberry, kg guava. And here you can see L49 guava, red custard, white rose plant, and that one kg guava again, and that one Lakshman fal, and my Miyazaki. You can see all these plants, very nice, nicely grown. So the best part of this garden is like, this plant. It looks very awesome, and I love it. Somehow I'm very satisfied within this month, and also dissatisfied because of a couple of plants are dying. I don't know the reason behind it, but I will try my level best. Stay tuned for more updates, guys. Maybe in another 1 month I will walk you through my garden. I hope you love this garden. Please subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my more upcoming garden videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.